Hey guys, welcome back to my channel for tutorials. So guys, today I create beautiful and cool new style of MoGraph animation with using Cinema 4D R22. So firstly guys, as a last one tutorial, I take cube. So go on here and cube and change size. Guys, this time size I take 10, all 10. Yeah, closer. And now guys, I go to display and select lines. Yeah, and create smoothness, so fillet jack and fillet radius I take 1. Yeah, right. Okay, so actually I take 0.5. Yeah, 0.5 is better. And now guys, select this cube and copy, drag and drop, holding control key, drag and drop. Yeah, and change cube size. Guys, I take sphere, so all take 35 and 35. Yeah, and fillet radius create full, and subdivision I take 24. Yeah, right. See, that's my shape. And now guys, I take cloner, so select both object and make child with cloner. Yeah, I select cloner and mode I take liner, and clones use blend, and count I take 1, and position all 0. Yeah, that's it guys, right? Okay, so now guys, select this cloner, and this time I take shader factor, this one. Yes, and go to parameter guys, modify clone, create full like this. Yes, and guys, I go to fall off and use spherical field. Yes, so select this spherical field and guys, create animation like this. Yes, see, that's my animation, right? It's really smooth. Okay, so now guys, this time select this cloner and copy, press Ctrl C and V, and only change Q1. Guys, this time take like 20 and 50. Yeah, and 20. Yes, see guys, that's my second shape, right? So again guys, select this cloner and copy. Yeah, and now select only Q1 and change shape. So again go to 40 and 40. Yes, right. And fillet radius create full. Yeah, and now guys, again copy, that's my last one. So select and guys, go to decrease like 30, and second one increase like 60 and 30. Yeah, and create like this. Yeah, better, right? See, that's my shape. Okay, so like guys, little bit change, I take like 50. Yes, 50 is good. Yeah, okay, so now guys, my shape is complete. I apply materials, so go to create and load material, and guys, go to desktop. That's my file, that's one. Yeah, see guys, that's my file. So I select this material, and that's my silver material. Apply only cube. Yes, and second one. Okay, so guys, now I apply second one. So select gold material, select actually this one, and apply on this one. Yeah, so select gold material, apply, and guys, glass material, and last one apply gold material. Yes, right. See, that's my material. Okay, so now guys, I take again cloner, so select all, this one clone, and make child with clone 4. Yes, and guys, grid array. Yeah, and now guys, go to here, shader effector. Yeah, and guys, select this cloner and increase size, actually decrease first one like 10 and 10, and increase like this. I take like 20 and 20. Guys, you can increase more, it's depend on your work. Yeah. And guys, I take flow little bit down. Yeah, right. Okay, so guys, select this spherical field and go to 0. Yeah, see, right? So go select this spherical field and guys, I create animation like this, right? Okay, so guys, select the shader and some changes. So scale size uncheck and rotation, guys, take randomly. Yes, right. So select the spherical field and yeah, better, right? Okay, so guys, all position take 0. And now guys, select the spherical field and go to animation tag and apply vibrator tag and position check. Guys, take position like 0.5 and play. Yeah, that's really good, right? So increase frame like 500 and again go to back. Yeah, right. Okay, so now guys, I apply tags, simulation tag. So select this flow and right click, take collider body and select this cloner and use rigid body. Yeah, and play. Okay, right. See guys, that's my glitch. So fix this animation. So select this shader and I go to effector. So effector, use 0 and press this animation key. Guys, go to like 40 frame, actually 30 and strength full and press this animation key. Yes, and play. Yeah, see guys, that's my animation, right? Okay, so now guys, again I take collider effect. So stop this animation and again take cube and increase cube size like this, like 240. Yeah, and guys, yeah, all is good. Yeah, okay, so guys, select this cube, upper one, and right click, collider body tag, and guys, this time shape, use static mesh. Yeah, and hide on render. Yeah, and play. Yes, see guys, that's my final one, right? Okay, so now guys, you can increase more shader effector. So stop and select the shader and copy. Yes guys, select all cloners, go to effector, drag and drop. Yes, right, see. Okay, so guys, select this spherical field and tag and only change seed like this and play. Yeah, see guys, that's really smooth animation, right? It's really good. Guys, my animation is finished. Now stop this animation and I apply sky, not environment, and apply sky material. Yeah, and right click, use compositing and seen by camera uncheck and white material on flow. Yes, see guys, that's beautiful, right? Okay, so go to back and play. Yes, that's good, right? Okay, so guys, my animation is finished. Now I apply render setting, simple. So guys, use global illumination, indirectly cache, use low, anti, select best, and maximum level you can take 2, and guys, take full frame, and guys, go to JPEG go to desktop and create folder. Yes, and take any file name. Yeah, that's it guys. So close and render. Yeah, right. Okay, so guys, I take some color correction, enable saturation, take 20, contrast 5 and brightness 2. Yeah, right. Okay, so guys, that's it. My final animation is finished. So if you like my video, please share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.